I just wanted to show you a video of the project I did during quarantine for the girls' closet. Spent $0 and it is going to be so great for keeping them organized. Let me show you. Okay, so I started with this plastic organizer, which I found on Large Trash Day for free. I disinfected it and cleaned it outside with the hose, scrubbed it down with some cleaner, and got it all shiny as new. Then I took it inside and made these boxes out of all of our Amazon Prime deliveries we've been getting during social distancing, and wrapped them with this paper from IKEA. As you can see, it doesn't go all the way back, but you can't even see that part of the box. And then I made these cute little labels on Canva, and I printed them and Mod Podged them onto these little round wooden discs from Michaels that were very inexpensive. So we've got Michaela's shorts, we've got Kendall's shorts, we've got the girls' swim and sports. So that's where their uniforms for the season they're in will go, and their swimsuits, easy to find. On game mornings, Saturday mornings are super early. We've got MK for Michaela. She puts her underwear and her socks in there. And then KK for Kendall. So we are going to stay organized. I feel like we just got a full dresser's worth of storage for free. And cutting the boxes and Mod Podging them took me one afternoon. So it wasn't like super tedious. I think the trick to that is having a sharp knife to cut the cardboard. I had pocket knife, which just sliced through it like butter. So anyways, hope this inspires some organization, making something out of all of those boxes and all that cardboard that you're getting from all the deliveries of staying at home, online shopping, maybe birthday present deliveries like we had for our son. So I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Let me know if you make something like that. This is Kendall. She's the one that's going to be using this cute little organization.
Bye.
See ya.